Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into the SPY ETF. Our initial report was released on our website on Monday, February 5, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It is essential to stay informed about any significant updates that may impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.16. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.37% since we first recommended SPY as a buy 64 days ago. This means an average return of 0.22% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is positioned in the upper part of a strong and narrow rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as the price is likely to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $495, it would indicate a stronger upward movement. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.34% change expected in the next 3 months. This means that investors could see a return between 8.91% and 11.89%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 17.93% change over the next year, with a potential return between 3.15% and 18.39%. This indicates a price range of $508.07 to $583.12 after a year. Our latest update for the SPY ETF brings an important headline: SPY ETF downgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, February 5, 2024, the price of the SPY ETF dropped by 0.328%, going from $494.17 to $492.55. Throughout the day, the ETF had a fluctuation of 0.85%, starting at a low of $490.23 and reaching a high of $494.38. In the past 10 days, the price rose in 6 instances, resulting in a 1.88% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume declined alongside the ETF, which is actually a positive sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 21 million shares, amounting to a total of 68 million shares being bought and sold, with a value of approximately $33.47 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $496.05, while the lowest price reached $380.65. Currently, the price stands at 0.71%, or $3.50, below the 52-week high of $496.05, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a look at the signals identified for SPY. The SPY ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these signals further supports a buy decision, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is support at $489.77 and $478.23. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be generated. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. Although there have been some negative signals recently, they might impact the short-term development. On Friday, February 2, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 0.328% decline so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should align with price movements. On Monday, March 27, 2023, the ETF had a golden star signal in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line intersect in a rare and special combination. Historically, such a combination has often been followed by significant and prolonged gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator has given a buy signal. The pivots indicator gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicator gave a sell signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicator gave a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator gave a buy signal 59 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 48 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for SPY. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $494.17. If you are considering entering a position and don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached. On the other hand, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. Now, let's discuss the downside. SPY encounters its first support level at $482.91. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders anticipating a rebound. For this video, we have an important recommendation to share with you. Our recommended stop loss for this particular ETF is set at $474.20, which represents a decrease of 3.72%. Let's talk about why this ETF is a good choice for low-risk investors. It has relatively low daily movements, which means there is less volatility and a lower chance of significant losses. In addition, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found just 1 day ago. This is an important indicator that suggests a potential downward trend. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that the current level of the SPY ETF may present a buying opportunity. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion since the last evaluation. Instead of a strong buy, we now consider it a buy candidate, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 6th, we anticipate SPY to open with a decrease of $0.164, starting at $492.39. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's important that you consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We want to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious to know what your target for the ETF is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Our team wishes you all the best in your trading endeavors. Have a wonderful day.